Hi guys, so ito yung crunchy roll nila. Take a look at it and we'll taste it.
Hey mga kajapoy! Ngayon, samahan niyo akong mag-explore sa pinakabago at pinaka-exciting na all-you-can-eat restaurant dito sa Beaumont.
May shrimp sa gitna at avocado. Then may tuna siya sa ibabaw. Sarap.
Makakasama natin ang ilang mga foodies, kaya't maghanda dahil ready na ang all-you-can-eat adventure.
Say hi to the camera, please. There you go.
Let's go!
Hi guys! Good evening at good morning or good afternoon. Saan man parte ng mundo kayo nanonood ngayon. Welcome back to my channel. We are here at Sushi Masa. It's their soft opening. We're invited para mag-review ng iba't ibang food nila na kung ano man ang meron sila ngayon. Bubusogin namin kayo. Tara sa Kain Discoveries!
Nandito tayo sa kanilang sushi bar kung saan ang lahat ng sushi ay ginagawa fresh sa bawat order. Tara, tikman natin ang mga gawa nila at alamin kung ano ang special sa Sushi Masa.
Hi guys, so ito yung crunchy roll nila. Take a look at it and we'll taste it. Meron siyang something sa loob eh. May crunch at saka may crab meat. Normal na roll, na sushi. Pero, next food. So, I ordered a fried rice, beef fried rice. Let's try it. It's just a normal fried rice. We also ordered teriyaki. Chicken teriyaki. Kasi meron sila dito iba't ibang teriyaki. They have salmon, tuna, pork teriyaki. Let's try it. A normal chicken with teriyaki sauce. That's it. Let's wait for our next order. So, pinakita ko sa inyo yung dragon roll. Meron sila dito. See? May shrimp sa gitna at avocado. Then may tuna siya sa ibabaw. Fresh tuna. Sarap. Dragon roll. What you call shumai dito. Sa atin shumai. Dito is shumai. That's right. May shrimp siya. Maliit lang siya. May pork. Pero maliit lang siya. Pero masarap. Parang siyang shumai din sa yuca. Now let's start calamari. Fried calamari. Good. Pero hindi chewy yung calamari. Sarap. Say hi to the camera, please. There you go. Yan guys, so tapos na tayong kumain and meron tayong mga nakilalang mga bagong YouTubers dito sa Southeast Texas, and I'm happy to share our ideas and stories na meron tayo sa ating YouTube channel. Special shout out to Jeremy for inviting us here in the soft opening of Sushi Masa. So bukas po, magbubukas na siya. It's September 15 today. So September 16 ang kanila talagang grand opening. Masarap siya. It's an all-you-can-eat restaurant, pero you need to order it. If you are from Southeast Texas or if you are going to visit Southeast Texas, please drop by here at Sushi Masa. Sobrang sarap ng mga rolls nila. I think they have more than 20 or 30 rolls na pwede kayong pagpilian. Of course, I would like to thank Sushi Masa for giving us the opportunity to video and to taste their food. Thank you again for joining us today. At syempre, huwag niyong kalimutan like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. Thank you, and hanggang sa muling pagkain. Bye!